Alright, greetings family, this is Bomani Tayemba and we are live on Revolution Camp. I'm here in ATL, Atlanta, Georgia, and we're here at Good Brothers Vegan Dream Donut Spot. This is the juice bar. It's many wonderful things, and I'm here to share information about our upcoming journeys to the motherland. What you see is the colors of red, black, green, and gold, the Ghana flags, and red, black, and green, the Pan-African flag. This is all our communal energy to reconnect our people to the ancestral land. So with the Bomani technology, we're taking you to the African continent and sharing with you a lot of the wonderful things and wonderful opportunities that are going on. And in order for you to really get a feel for a lot of things, what we have done is we have recorded almost every single last one of our tours, and we have it uploaded right there on the internet, YouTube, Facebook, the website. You can get all of the details, all of the images, the videos. You get a feel of what the motherland looked like based on our Africa for the Africans reconnection journey. This is a journey that really just give you a wonderful opportunity to feel the roots, the culture, nightlife, shopping, networking, business, investment opportunities, and so much more. And we are ready to take it to another level. In 2018, we have incredible tourists in African continent. We have Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire. We have Ethiopia and Tanzania, Brazil. This is all 2018. So family, just when you thought that Ghana was it, we're ready to link you to many parts of the African world. I mentioned Brazil, based on that is the country with the most stolen Africans in the Americas or in the African diaspora. And so we just have to hit these wonderful points and connect with our people and just make this move and make this push, because it's all about our reconnection and us coming together strong as a people. And I'm saying, family, don't let these people distract you with their politics and religions and trickery and games. Our roots and our culture, our race, that's what's important, that's what holds us strong. Let's focus on what we need to focus on, and let's work together to connect our people to the African continent and build Africa. Yes, family. And these are my two independent businesses, Bomani Tayemba, using them with all force and energy to make this movement happen. One love, family.
And cut.